Yeah, you don't want to use a dowel on that one.
No, and that's the other thing. Like I said, you got to be careful when you want to use glass. It is the coolest thing ever. Oh, and see, here's another milk bottle. So like next to it, or like next to the cake, or right there, I could use another one with some sort of, you know, sugar flowers in it, or decorative stuff, or something, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so speaking of sod, they sell plastic sod. And plastic, this is really, this stuff's kind of all the rage, and it comes in a lot of different plants and leaf styles and stuff like that. I mean, I'm sure you've all seen the whole walls of this stuff in restaurants and at various places. I'm super jealous. My neighbor 2 doors down did a whole wall in her house.
Cool.
With this stuff. It looks amazing. Of course, my first question to her was, how do you clean that?
Yeah.
See how anal I am? See my crazy brain, how it works?
It's plastic grass.
Yes, it is plastic grass. And it does link together somewhere. There it is. Okay, so it has little loops right here. You see that? And then it has little, where is it? Other side. Has little spikes right here that you put the loops into.
Okay.
So, loop. Here we go. So
And you get this at?
This I got at
Where?
Hobby Lobby, but you can get it like Michael's. Any floral supply place would have this, and they are. So now they're stuck together. See?
Very cool.
And then you can stick together here.
So this is a quick display.
Super quick.
Of grass.
Now, let's say that you already have this stuff, and you have a client that really wants to, you know, they looked through your book, or, you know, looked on your website or whatever, and they really want to use this stuff. And you say, well, I have it. So you rent it to them. But what I do is I get a deposit for the full cost of what it would take me to replace it, and my time, energy, gas money, everything else to go get it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Because otherwise, it's not worth it. And they can either go get it themselves, and then they own it. And if they wreck it, they wreck it. But that also all goes in like the contract. So like if you wreck it, you don't get your deposit back.
Yep.
Can
I throw a quick question in there?
Yes.
Back to the glass real fast. Glenda's got a great question. Could you use a mirror, or would that be too much glam?
That totally depends on the cake. I mean, if you're in Vegas, mirror it up. I mean, I mean, it's so fun because I can do little tea lights in each of these, so it's lit up. Like these little guys would drop in to all of them and light it up. Right? We'll give you an idea without undoing the whole thing. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. I love special effects. I'm a sucker for them. So then you have like this guy all in here, right?
Yeah.
And then you hide it back here with something else. But so you can have like this in there and with some other stuff.
Yeah.
You know, it's just taking things to another level with some fun special effects, right? We'll put that right there. Okay. So
way cool.
We have our grass pad. Now, I don't know if any of y'all like watched our cute Easter cake, but it's starting to like, you know, what are we in? End of May.
We're end of May.
So, you know.
It was great at Easter.
It was great at Easter, but the you know, anyway, it got a little bit hot in the studio, and so the modeling chocolate went. Okay, anyway, so here's cake. Cute, fine, nice, whatever.
Very cool. And notice the cake board, folks. Notice the cake board.
It's burlap.
And notice how easily it was to pick up.
Yep. Okay, so that's kind of cute.
It's very cool.
That's all right.
Yep.
Right? But it's a little more appropriate.
But look how cool this is.
To put it on
grass.
This.
That just changes everything.
See what I mean?
Yep.
See how different that is? How cool that is versus, and that, you know, that's kind of like the appropriateness of the display, right?
Right.
This works perfect. This works okay. It's fine. This is way better.
Yeah.
Right?
And can you imagine this cake on a silver cake board?
Ooh.
That would just, you know.
I mean, now
at least the handle.
This is silver.
Yeah, at least
but
that's silver.
The burlap with the green ribbon just ties everything in and it's
Yeah.
all appropriate. Plus the grass is super, super cool, right?
Yeah.
Isn't that fun?